I'll show you guys how to make TikTok recommend your account to other TikTok accounts. Let's get into the video. So you simply click on this three dots here. After which you click on settings and policies. Once you're there, you click on what? Policies. After that, you simply click on what? Suggest your account to others. You make sure you enable all of this. So once you're done with that, you simply go back and you come to what? Facebook and friends. So you enable this. So after that, you simply enable what? Facebook friends. So you simply need to connect your Facebook account with your TikTok account. Continue. Okay. Yep. Yes. Okay guys, with that, TikTok will be able to recommend your TikTok account to other TikTokers and on your Facebook profile. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below if you face any difficulty doing this. We love you all. See you in our next